Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Magic Fluids Lite from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, click on the bottom left corner. Now click on this gear at the top left one, sorry. Hit I accept in first things first pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. You can also select presets over here. Decide which one is the best one for you. And tap on Yes in Load Preset pop-up. Wherever you decided, when you're done, click on the top right corner and then bottom right corner. Now you need to click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes in the pop-up and tap on Apply. Lastly, decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with both, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!